Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zig, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to find someone on TikTok by phone number. All right, it's very easy and very possible. All right, so let's get started. Okay, so the first step you want to take is to get the person's contact and have it saved on your phone. Right, so once you have that person's contact saved on your phone, the next thing you want to do is to simply click on your profile icon at the bottom right corner from your FYP. All right, so once you click on that, you're going to notice this icon right here on your profile, the add person icon. Click on that. So after clicking on that, at the top area you're going to find your contacts right here, and you're going to see the number of contacts you have on TikTok. All right, so right here I have 46 contacts. So just go ahead, click on that, and you are going to see all the people you have their contacts saved on your phone. If they're on TikTok, you are going to find them right here, but in some cases the person who you are looking for might not be on TikTok or does not have a TikTok account, so it's going to be impossible for you to find the person right there. But once the person have a TikTok account, you are going to see the person right there, and the person has to create that TikTok account with that phone number before it could appear in your contact list here on TikTok. So that's it guys on how you can actually find someone on TikTok by phone number. Hope this guide was helpful and you now know how to do it. If yes, give this video a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching guys.